Welcome to the discussion of operant conditioning, Part 2. We are going to describe the different types of reinforcers and punishment. First of all, we will take a look into different types of reinforcers. The primary reinforcer refers to the non-learned and natural reinforcer. For example, food, water, sex. The primary reinforcer satisfies the biological need mainly. Among the natural primary reinforcer, there are some intracranial stimulations, ICS. The ICS involves direct activation of brain's pleasure centers. They are inferred from some research related to the brain function. There is secondary reinforcer. In contrast to the primary reinforcer, the secondary reinforcer are learned reinforcer. For example, money, grades, approval, praise. These reinforcers are learned through social interaction instead of some biological basics response. To further differentiate, there are token and social reinforcers. The token reinforcers are tangible secondary reinforcers. For example, money, gold star, pocket chips. These are all tangible reinforcers. On the other hand, there are also social reinforcers. These are intangible secondary reinforcers that are provided by other people. For example, it is learned desire for attention and approval. In addition to reinforcer, we have punisher, which is any consequence that reduces the frequency of a target behavior. There are also different types of punisher. The severe punishment refers to the intense punishment, which is capable of suppressing a response for a long period. Whereas the mild punishment are relatively weak. They usually slows response temporarily. There is also another major concept related to punishment, which is aversive stimulus. It is the stimulus that is painful or uncomfortable. For example, an electric shock. In response to the aversive stimulus, there are two types of learning. Firstly, the escape learning refers to the learning to make a response to end an aversive stimulus. There is also avoidance learning, which refers to the learning to make a response to avoid, postpone, or prevent discomfort. For example, not going to a doctor or dentist is avoidance learning. Lastly, some research point out that punishment may also increase the level of aggression in some individuals. Above all, to check your understanding, can you identify for yourself different types of reinforcers and punishments, and see how they match with your daily lives?